What's something people don't know about the Pixel 9 Pro XL? We've got the scoop. Leaked images and videos from TikTok are giving us a sneak peek into Google's upcoming Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro XL. The Pro XL is turning heads with its unique matte finish on the back, perfect for resisting those pesky fingerprints. Meanwhile, the sides are glossy, offering a sleek contrast to the matte finish. Size-wise, the Pixel 9 Pro XL comes with a larger 6.73-inch display compared to the 6.24-inch screen on the standard Pixel 9. And if you're a photography buff, you'll love the substantial camera bar on the Pro XL. It's poised to deliver some next-level photography capabilities. For a quick comparison, think of it as Google's answer to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's bigger, bolder, and packed with cutting-edge features. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official release. If you're as excited as we are, hit that like button and subscribe for the latest tech news. Catch you in the next one.